Makun, and today we will be discussing about chi-square table. So how we will do the chi-square table and on what circumstances we do chi-square table in SPSS. As I told you, whenever we get a categorical data, you have to always code those data while doing in SPSS. So while coding into in SPSS, you have to always remember, instead of string you have to give it as numerical. 2 are in numerical, so you have to give those in numerical and you have to give those values. So the coded value should be given as 1 or 2 or according to your wish. So these are the first thing you have to be checked upon doing the chi-square table. So when doing the chi-square table, you have to make sure the values are coded. Even though for chi-square tables you can give without coded values, but for other tests you probably have to do the coded. So as I said, whenever we want to compare two categorical data, we have to use chi-square table. So the categorical data here, you can see gender. So I have gender in male and female. It is in categories. So male count for 25 and female count for 36. Now I'm checking for hypertension. So hypertension is also a yes or no type. So HTN, yes or no type. So I can just check its count. So yes is 12, no is 49. So these two are categorical data. So there is at least two in these uh, variables. So in these features there should be at least two categories. So you can have more than two also, but it should have at least two while doing the chi-square table. So we will go for chi-square table. You have analyzed descriptive statistics. There will be crosstabs. Crosstabs provide the chi-square table. So in crosstab you will have gender. I'm providing gender in row and hypertension in columns, and then in exact there is nothing to be given. In statistics you can apply chi-square. So chi-square is important. So risk also you can give. Then on cells you can have percentages. This is the most important thing, always remember to give this. So I'm giving column proportion. So I'm clicking OK. So you can have displayed cluster bar chart. So now my crosstabs will be given. So this gives the total n value. So as I said, if there is a missing value you can check here. So here in a 61 there is no missing value. Here comes the column proportion. So you have to always remember like this. It should be like this on columns. So 6 count for 50%. What does this mean? For those who have hypertension, among them 6 were male and 6 among them were female, and it was 50% each. So those who don't have hypertension, among the 19 were male and 13 were female. So its proportion is also given. This is a column proportion. Now if you want to check the p-value, the p-value is given here. Exact two-tail. For a two-tail it is 0.526. For one tail it is 348. Anyway, both are insignificant. So we can say that the association between the gender and hypertension are not significant. So that gives the chi-square table. Here comes our chart. So always remember, you can give a multiple bar chart or a stacked bar chart. So I will show that also. So in graph there is bar. On bar you can, here we already have clustered. I'm going for stacked. In stacked I will give age as categories axis, define stacks by hypertension, and OK. So in graph you will get the clustered as well as the stacked. So giving the proportion, you can double click on this chart and the chart editor window will be open. On here you can give the text. The text can be given. So and you can adjust it, and as so we will give the percentages. So always remember, we will give the percentages only, not numbers. Usually the correct format is give the percentage. So that's all about this chi-square table. So always remember to code whenever you get the categorical data. It's better to code it, but for crosstabs to do, there's no need for coding. You can either use the string variables, but for other tables you should code the data. Thank you everyone for watching this. Please subscribe for more videos.